Hello, welcome back to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today. This video is a part of my series of taking care of yourself, making sure you take care of your skin, your hair, your nails, your insides and outsides. So stay tuned. Okay, you guys, today is all about serums. I have a plethora of them. I use them regularly. I find that they work really, really well for my skin type. And I rarely have ever had a breakout from using a serum. I don't overdo it. I really don't. I try to make sure that maybe I'll use extra serums once a week in my regimen and my regular routine. So I just want to focus on a couple of things. That's why I'm here with no makeup on. I have my lashes on and a little bit of brow stuff. But this is all about your lines and your wrinkles. So this is the true face right here. I don't have on any concealer. I have on some moisturizer. I also put on a little bit of my Clinique. It's Pore Refining Solution, so Stay Matte Hydrator. Stay Matte Hydrator. So this basically is all I have on. And I wanted to show you just some of the products that I find to be really, really good for your skin. They work well for me, and I've used them over the years. So you want to make sure you're focusing on trying to minimize fine lines and wrinkles. I say that a lot, but I don't really stress it. Now I'm going to start stressing certain things in my videos. Just to let you guys know, I've been doing things for a long time, and I want to be able to become or try and evolve to your beauty expert so that you guys can check out my YouTube channel and say, okay, I'm able to learn something, grow, and advance in my beauty and skincare needs. Okay, so what you want to focus on is to make sure that, I'm just going to use this little brush, of course it's Morphe, just right around here that you're focusing on your little crow's feet over here. Fortunately, I don't have a lot, but trust me, they're there. When I smile, I see them more. So what I like to do is to make sure that I put a serum or moisturizer, for sure, my eye cream right there. I have a tendency to have issues right here as well. So what I want to say, so this here is like kind of just basically the center of my forehead, and right on the bridge of my nose, I have wrinkles. And people said, oh, why don't you get Botox? I said, well, I'm not really ready for Botox yet, but I want to be able to conceal that as much as possible. So I find that some of my serums actually help. And another area that's really, really key is you want to make sure that you're using a good eye cream, because these areas tend to wrinkle quickly and they can sag. I have a little bit of a sagging. I have kind of this loaf here that won't go away. However, you can kind of camouflage that with making sure that, one, you have a good base initially and you're washing your face, cleaning your face, moisturizing, and using your serums. Another area that I kind of sort of have an issue with is down here. Sometimes it gets a little weird, so I'll try to make sure I emphasize putting my serums there as well. What else? Those are kind of my key areas. You can look at your face without makeup and determine what you want to focus on. I'm going to go over a couple of products that I recommend. First, you want to make sure that you're cleaning your face, of course, first. Using your toner, using your moisturizer. And then what I like to do probably once or twice a week, this is Jacqueline Page Cosmetics, I use a vitamin C serum. This here works well for me. I'm not going to try all these products on, but I do want you to kind of get a feel for the consistency. It's a little runny, but it's a serum. And I'm just going to put it here. It goes on very lightly. I love this product. It's quite nice. It happens to be my brand. But it's wonderful as far as evening out skin tones. Vitamin C is excellent for that. So keep that in mind. If you're looking to even out your skin tone, you want to try a vitamin C serum. Now, if you could tell, I have some darkness, a little bit of blue under my eye, a little bit of darkness here, but for the most part, my Face Without Makeup is one tone. I don't really have to change it, but I have been using this for decades. Okay, so another product that I highly recommend is Dior One Essential Serum. This serum also helps to detoxify. It's serum makeup for face. Well, actually serum skincare for face. Apply morning and night to face and neck. And once again, I featured this in one of my other videos, but I highly stand by this. This is a great serum. Once again, it's a little bit thicker consistency, and you could put it on your face, your neck. It smells great. I love it. But you got to make sure that you're taking care of this area down here. The neck shows your age right away. But if you care for it, take care of it, nurture it like it's a part of your face, you won't have as many issues. And I highly recommend doing this to help prevent the double chin. I think I've been doing it for 20 years now. Okay. So whatever works. And there's a way also, if you're dealing with a double chin or just more excess skin or fat that you have down here, there's a way to contour to make sure that you minimize the appearance of that. So the next product I'm going to suggest is Clarins. It's the double serum. It's absolutely perfect for anti-aging. I use this on a regular basis, okay? And it's intense. They actually offer two types of serums in here. I use this on my hand, I use it on my neck, I add it with my moisturizer on my face. Highly recommend it. This one here, these products, I must say, are a little expensive, okay? The Dior and the Clarins. The Jacqueline Page Cosmetics is reasonably priced, but it can be up there too if you're on a budget. One product that I do recommend that for people that, are sticking tight to a certain price point, e.l.f. has this. It's a wonderful Sun Kiss Booster Drops. Now these here, it's more of an oil, but it is also a serum. And I tend to add this to my lotions, my creams, and things like that. It's fabulous, fabulous. And I think I paid maybe $5 for that one. So I like to have an array of products in my collection so that, some for when I have a little bit more money to spend and others when I really don't. Let me see. The next product this is a part of Jacqueline Page Cosmetics as well. This is Hydroxin Recap Concentrate formula, and it's a serum as well. I add this to my daily moisturizer on a regular basis. It's phenomenal, I must say. It comes out in this little dropper, and you don't want to put a lot. I don't put all these on at one time, but I just want to show you it doesn't leave any residue. And I tend to put it right here because this is an area where it's kind of hard to camouflage anything and minimize those fine lines and wrinkles, which I hate. I've been using the products on my forehead, and I notice, I really have to squint to really get wrinkles to show. Praise the Lord. But it's important to focus on the areas of your concern. So I usually focus on my forehead, this area here, my crow's feet, and a little bit here. These are lines, but I don't know. My dermatologist said, love them until you hate them. So I love them for now. This is a product I'm still waiting to try. It's called Elascalift Encapsulated Retinol. Retinol is fabulous for fine lines and wrinkles. Hello. And it's a concentrated, it's really concentrated. Wow, look at this. This is thick. This is very thick. So I'm going to take a little here and use it. It's almost the consistency of a lotion. Not a lot of fragrance, kind of nice. I would use this on my hands more so than my face. It's a little too thick for me for a face product, but hey, whatever works. You could use it on your elbows, knees, and things like that, and your heels of your feet. So I highly recommend investing in a good serum. So let me know your thoughts. These are my recommendations for today. I highly recommend that you invest, even if it's not a lot, even if you have to go with a brand that's not so expensive, Jacqueline's Beauty or e.l.f., for example. Get it. Invest in it. The sooner you start, the better off you are, because you want to make sure that you're starting out young, especially, and maturing in the perfect way. So thank you guys so much for watching. Click the JB and subscribe to this happy little family. Follow me on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. Check out Jacqueline's Beauty blog. And don't forget to click the bell so that you're notified every time I upload a new video. We're doing a lot about skin and taking care of yourself. So stay tuned. Bye. Remember to subscribe to my channel, Jacqueline's Beauty, and join this happy little family. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.